welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make lemon curd, and I'll be using that lemon curd for my lemon macarons. So if you want to know the recipe, please stay tuned. We will be needing 90 grams of sugar, 90 grams of egg yolks, 20 grams of butter, and 2 pieces of lemon. First, I'll be slicing my lemon and I'll be squeezing out the juice. Some people actually put in the rind for their lemon curd, but me personally, I prefer it without. So we're going for a recipe without any lemon rind. So I'll be pouring in my liquids in the sugar and mixing it well. Once it has dissolved pretty well, I'm going to be adding in my egg yolks. Make sure to mix everything well at this portion if you don't want to get little clumps of egg yolks. It is now time to cook our lemon curd. So I'm putting this bowl on top of boiling water to cook the lemon curd slowly. You don't want to cook it under direct fire, otherwise it will overcook the lemon curd. This is the consistency that we are looking for. It's a bit thick and you can see some lines coming out when you move the wire whisk. Time to take it off the heat and time to add our butter. I'm just adding a little bit of butter to make the texture a little bit smooth. I'm weighing my ingredients in. I'm weighing my lemon curd and also my buttercream. I'm putting in 100 grams of lemon curd and just 50 grams of my buttercream. And now I'll be mixing it together. You can use whatever buttercream you desire, but for me, I personally like to use my Swiss meringue buttercream. It is now time to pipe our lemon buttercream. I'm just using a regular round piping tip to put in our buttercream inside our macarons. We can use this recipe for many other things, such as lemon cupcakes, or a pound cake, or even a butter cake. Final product, guys. Here are lemon macarons. So thank you guys for watching, and if you want to watch more cooking and baking tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. See you soon. Bye!